Is your headache serious? Most headaches are harmless, but some are warning signs your body wants you to pay attention to. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 red flags you should never ignore. These signs could mean you need medical care right away. Let's imagine this. Maria wakes up with a headache that feels different. It's stronger, it's sudden, and something about it just doesn't feel right. Red flag number 1. A sudden, explosive, thunderclap headache. If your pain peaks in seconds, treat that as an emergency and get care immediately. Red flag number 2. Weakness, confusion, or trouble speaking. These can be signs of a stroke, and every minute matters. Call 911. Red flag number 3. A headache with fever and a stiff neck. This may be a sign of meningitis, and it needs urgent medical attention. Red flag number 4. A headache after a fall or hit to the head. If pain gets worse, or if you feel confused or nauseated, go get checked. It could signal a bleed. Red flag number 5. A new or worsening headache in people over age 50. These headaches always deserve a proper medical exam. If your headache feels different from your usual headaches, trust your body. Early care saves lives. If you want simple, trustworthy health videos, subscribe to the Educating Nurse Practitioner. I'm here to help you understand your health, one clear video at a time.